What is up, everybody? Brittany here, back for another video. And today I have this iCraig Netbook. It is a CLP285, and I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on it. So let's get into the video. What you're going to do is go up to the top right and click on those squares, those small squares in the corner, right there. And you click on that. Then you're going to go down to settings. Select it, go to the left side, and I'm going to use the down arrow key to go down to back up and reset. Select enter. All right, and then go down to factory data reset and select it. Okay, so at the bottom it says to clear music, pictures, and other user data, the SD card needs to be erased. So let's check that box, erase SD card, and then reset device, because we want this to be like brand new. All right, erase all your personal information. Yep, erase everything. Okay, SD card has been removed. Okay, since there's no SD card, we're gonna go back. Okay, so let's uncheck this and then reset device. Erase everything. Okay, it has started. Boot into recovery mode to do the factory reset, and that's pretty much how you do it, guys. And the factory reset has started. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.